Ang pagiging single. Mahirap, oo, pero makakaya mo. Through time, bakit di ka na lang mag-boyfriend? Or mag-girlfriend? Magpapansin ka, magpa-cute ka. Magpaganda ka, magpagwapo ka, okay, so. Ang pagiging single, hindi naman ganon kahirap. Oo, okay. Ang pagiging single. Ako single. Ikaw din ba? Ano ba positive sa pagiging single? Tahimik at malaya ka. Kapag in a relationship na, di masaya, much better kasi may kasama ka na sa life. Okay. Ang pagiging single, life goes on. Di ka pwedeng tumanda ng ganyan. Dapat, may kasama ka sa life. Sa forever, eternity, at infinite. Okay, so ang pagiging single. Mag-boyfriend ka na. Magka-boyfriend ka na, magka-girlfriend ka na. Magpapansin or manligaw. Makipag-date, ang pagiging single. Mahirap ba makahanap ng boy of your dreams or girl of your dreams? Darating din siya. At the right time, at the right place. Just believe and hold on to it. Huwag i-let go ang mga pangarap na magka-boyfriend at pangarap na magka-girlfriend. Okay? Okay, so ang pagiging single. Is it hard to find one? That perfect boy for you? Or that perfect girl for you? Okay. Ang pagiging single. Gumamit ng dating apps, makipag-socialize at makipagkaibigan at kapag may kaibigan ka na, magpahanap ka sa kanila. Sa kanila magtanong. Baka alam nila at baka may kakilala sila. Ang pagiging single. Ilang years ka na single? 1 year, 5 years, or 10 years pa? Don't be, find one now. As in ngayon, okay, so now, maybe struggle yan sa'yo. Okay, problem. Ang pagiging single. Masaya yung may kasama ka. As in palagi sa life. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Where to find one? Pray to God. Para masagot na wishes mo in life. Na magka-boyfriend at magka-girlfriend. Ang pagiging single. Sa likod ng video na ito ay script. At writing. Because I write my vlogs before recording it. Yes, true, totoo, okay. Ang pagiging single, may crush ka ba? Sino? Okay, so, ang pagiging single, it may be hard for you or difficult. But whatever you are facing, you'll make it through and you can do it. Don't be depressed or get sad. Choose happy, choose life. Because you can and you could. Okay, so, ang pagiging single. Enjoy na ang life. Mag-travel ka kaya. Alone with only you. By your side. Yes, kaya mo. Okay, so, ang pagiging single. Baka ngayon may situation ka na ikakasingle mo. Right as of this moment. Okay lang yan. That is life. Magkakaroon ka ulit ng kasama in life. Soon, basta tapusin mo itong video na ito. Like mo na, comment, and subscribe. Cause this is Speak Up Dear channel. Okay, ayos, right? Speak up, dear.